My name is Andrew Dobish, and I'm a homeowner in Goshen, New York. I went solar for a lot of reasons, to save money and obviously help out the environment, go green. The electric bill varied. Obviously in the winter it was cheaper, but it was up to almost $2.25 in the summertime with the ACs going. Right now the last bill was $0. There was a lot of different options, but once I figured out SunPower was the way to go with the warranty and the depreciation value versus other competitors, that's where it all started with me. Gabby and New York State Solar Farm were by far the best. Great customer service, easy to deal with, and actually came in with the best price.
Andrew wanted a sense of security with his system, so we happily installed 18 panels on his home that would give him full offset for years to come. I think he was very inspired by how well his system was producing for him. He wanted other people to experience the same positive outcome that he had with his SunPower system.
I was signed with a whole nother company, and then they came and did a roof survey and came back and increased my monthly bill. I didn't like that, so I sent everything over to Andrew's contact, Gabby. The price was $10 to $15 a month, less than the original quote. I said, yep, absolutely, I gotta go this way.
In this neighborhood, I've worked with 13 people so far.
Yeah, I referred about 6 or 7 people.
I've referred, I think, 6. Randy went solar with SunPower. Susie's going solar with SunPower. Felix is going to get it. Danny over here is probably going to get it. I think when we're all together and we're talking about stuff, everyone's like, how are your panels doing? Or are you guys saving money? We'll show them the app and show them how much we're producing. And it's definitely eye-opening.
Everyone wants to save money. No one wants to pay for anything if they don't have to, so.
Right. And definitely being green and leaving a better carbon footprint for our kids. Andrew just stands outside with a big sign and it goes, ask me about my solar.
It almost feels like it's too easy. Like, we got our first bill, it was $0. That was in the spring. I can't imagine once it comes to summer with the light and everything. I really don't see any negatives to it, especially with the warranty. I mean, you're good to go. You don't even have to think about it anymore.